Muri Zimbabwe, tukusangana pa the Mtapa Times. Pane recent developments are so interesting. So, all right, first, takaona issues a document that was submitted to the parliament by my retired generals who were led by Mchena. Right, so only recently, right now, Mnangagwa has found out that the other generals who were backing Mchena, according to information iripo, the other generals who were backing Mchena are actually some of the guys Mnangagwa was calling friends. As a matter of fact, zvikunzi patorine 6 generals akapiwa mari akapiwa mari like paipiwa mari kuame paipiwa chichichi vari kubeka who are backing Muchena right now. So you have to understand with the document that was submitted to the parliament, document raitaura about fact yekuti takaenda kuhondo, fact yekuti one man one vote is the reason why takaenda kuhondo, and trying to take that away from the people is really a bad thing, and my generals will not just watch that happen. And so those guys vakaisa documentary area zvikazonzi zinatemba mliswa why this is a faceless document, which means kuti you guys, if you were serious, kana muri masoja, kana makaenda kuhondo zveshuwa, why muchisubmit a document rokuti munosubmit a document and then hapana aripo to show their face kuti we are behind this. It's just a general, retired general Muchena chat, and then they actually started digging deep kuti vaone kuti so who is actually backing this, and ndopa vawana information yekuti patorine more than 6 generals anga ari kuside rekwa Mnangagwa, vamwe vacho zvinonzi vakatopiwa mari. And so pane vamwe mukati meZANU-PF vari kuti Mnangagwa didn't expect this, but Akaura, because iye aifunga kuti vanhu vari easily vanotengeka zviri so easy. And so vari kuti ivo Mnangagwa haana chaati aona, because chero members of parliament ari muZANU-PF, eZANU-PF, they are not just speaking out right now, but a lot of those members of parliament are actually against the 2030 bill. So it's going to be an interesting it's going to be an interesting time in the coming few weeks, because muri kuzviona zvose kuti it's happening right now, and right now ndo pari kutonyatso kupisa nyaya yebill number 3 rinoda kuextenda term yaMnangagwa to 2030, and they kuextenda also members of parliament up to 2030. So the thing chiri kuitika ndechekuti magenerals vari kunzi they are fighting because pane yatoti conflict of interest. Mnangagwa's offer is crazy, because think about it, kana unga uri iwewe a member of parliament right now, maybe uriwe triple C but uri member of parliament, unoziva kuti iwe mari yauri kuhora, imba yauri kugara, maybe wakapiwa negovernment, mota wakapiwa negovernment, and then president ouya achiti iwe rather than kuti iwe term yako ipere muna 2028 woenda kumavhotsi unovhota ukambena futi wovhotegwa kana kuti voramba kuvhotera, togona kungokuextenda ukangovhotera inini chete, togona kuextenda ne2 more years pamusoro penguva yautori nayo already. So it's a conflict of interest, because the guy who is supposed to say no to that is actually going to benefit from that. That's why my general was pushing, saying any change, any such kind of changes, you have to go through a referendum. Inofana kusvika kuvanhu vekuti these people are not benefiting from the results of the zvamunoda kuita, so ndo vanokodzera kuti vasarudze vati endererai mberi kana kuti vakumisei. So right now pakaipa murezi, but change chupa ma updates on what's happening. So stay here pano pa the Mtapa Times.